Hello guys, in this I'm going to show you how to add a new account in Temu, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Now you have to click on the U option, which is on the bottom of the screen in the middle, and now you should click on the settings option, which is the last one, and now you can see the switch accounts option. So if you have more accounts or you want to add a new one, then here you can do it. You can see the add account option, click on it, and now you can continue with Google, Facebook, and so on, and you can switch between those accounts. Maybe you have a business account, or I don't know, two of you are using the app, or I don't know, but here you can switch your accounts and you can order from different accounts. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.